guys, I'm Erica. Welcome to Hack Your Health. Morgan and I are back with another SCD friendly meal idea for you. So this is sausages, eggs, and squash. This is a kabocha squash. You could also use an acorn squash. So I'm going to start by cutting it in half. Once you got it cut in half, you just scoop out the inside parts, just like carving a pumpkin. So the inside should look like this. So on the inside of the squash, I just put a piece of butter, so like that, and some salt, and a little bit of cinnamon. Cool. So that's what it looks like now, and I'm just gonna put it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes at about 375 degrees. So in order for things to kind of time right, I'm gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes before starting to cook the sausages. This is my lard storage. So I'm gonna take a piece of it and put it in the pan. Not all the sausages are going to be Specific Carbohydrate Diet friendly because some of them contain preservatives and other ingredients that are not allowed. So I would recommend getting a local brand that makes small batches of food because they're going to be the most likely to use really good ingredients. So this is a local sausage company, and it's just venison, pork, salt, pepper, garlic and herbs, beef collagen casing. So that's all fine. And what some people do is they just call the company and ask if they use any kind of like garlic powder that has starch in it or anything like that. But I've always found that these are fine. Okay, so now that the pan is hot, I'm just gonna open up this package and put them in the pan. Okay, so now the sausages are nicely cooked, and I'm going to add the eggs.
Oh, baby!
Okay, so I took the squash out of the oven, and now it looks like this. And the eggs and the sausages are ready. So I'm going to take these off and put them on the plate. This is what it looks like. We have squash, sausages, and eggs. I like to add some salt and pepper. And I found that it made it a big difference to eat some sorts of probiotics with my meals. So you can add a side of sauerkraut. This is homemade sauerkraut, so if you want to learn how to make it, I also have a video about that. And you can add more butter to the squash if you like. And this is a really simple and very easy to make meal idea that keeps you full for a long time. So yeah, I hope that this video is helpful, and let me know if you make it or if you have other suggestions. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Okay, bye.
Wait, we have to synchronize. Okay. No, you have to go down while I'm going up.
Oh, sorry.
Like this,
Okay.
like Oompa and Buzz. Okay. Oh, my tail joined in.
Cheers. The squash is really good.
Goodbye.